name is Allie, and this is my friend Stella the sea lion. Do you have a t-shirt that you don't wear anymore? Maybe because you've outgrown it or it has a few stains? Well, today we're going to show you how to turn those old t-shirts into a new reusable bag that you can take to the store.
For this, all you will need is a t-shirt and some scissors. You will use scissors to cut out the collar and both of the sleeves to create the straps of your bag. Along the bottom of the t-shirt, cut out several 6-inch long strips, including both sides of the t-shirt. Make knots along the bottom of the t-shirt by tying each strip on the front with its paired one on the back. Close any holes by tying neighbor strands together. Now you have a bag. If you don't want the frayed look along the bottom, you can also turn it inside out. Bags like this have lots of uses. You can take them to the store to put groceries inside of, or use it to carry other things.
Using reusable bags is important. Plastic bags are often used once and thrown away, ending up in a landfill where it can be for hundreds of years until it breaks down. Or worse yet, ending up in the ocean and becoming a danger to sea life like Stella. So, by using a reusable bag like this one, you can use it many times, and you can also wash it with the rest of your clothes in the washing machine. Protect your oceans and reduce your single-use plastics by using reusable bags like Stella.